Hello everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you so much for joining me. A few weeks ago, I received an email from a young lady that owns Clever Fox Planners on Amazon asking if I would do a review of their product. So she sent it to my P.O. box and it arrived probably within the last couple of days. But this is how it came packaged. The planner itself is in a box. And then here are the sticker books. Let's look at the planner first. It was in a bubble mailer to keep it safe and secure during the mailing process. All right, the first thing I noticed is that this is just beautifully packaged. There are some stickers here for your use. And then here is the planner. It is a non-dated weekly planner. So if you like bullet journaling, this is probably for you as well. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, it shows productivity, passion, motivation, happiness, and focus. And then on the back, it shows some other things that you can use this planner for. It has a pen loop, which is very nice. This is about 60-pound weight paper, so it's much heavier than copy paper. So it is in keeping with a nice journal. Then here are some goal pages, a mind map, and then here are the planner pages. There are weekly goals, main goals, priorities, 3 different bookmark ribbons, which is really kind of cool. It is a soft leather feeling journal. And it does have the Clever Fox logo on it, as you can see right here. There's plenty of room in here for just regular journaling. Once again, if you like to bullet journal, this would also be a really good planner for you. There's personal to-do lists. There are goals. Really, really nicely done. And then it also came with a Clever Fox sticker book. It's a productivity pack with 17 sheets and 1,500 plus stickers. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy, and there are. So here are the stickers that you can use in your planner, perfectly proportioned for the pages. There's appointments and to-do list. There's even chore reminders, must do today. Can't wait, Netflix. By the way, I'm a big, huge Netflix fan. I'm also a Hulu fan. Some epic things there. Now this is the day of the week label, so you just put these stickers in their appropriate location inside of your planner, which I think is a great idea, and they're color coordinated to the stickers. Very, very good idea. And then you have your fun icon stickers here. These are just everyday things that you can use in your planner. I love these little girls. Isn't that sweet? Very, very cute. And these little girls are in different skin tones. Then Payday. Game Day. Oh dear. Adapt and Overcome. Very good. As my husband says, adapt, improvise, and overcome. Here are some little blocks. This is for keeping up with your water consumption. So there you have it. There is my review. Would I buy this product? Absolutely, I would. I think that it is high quality. I also think that it would be very easy to use, and it's absolutely beautiful. So very well done, Clever Fox. I will leave the information to her store down below. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section or leave me an email. Anytime you guys send me an email, put the name of the video as the subject matter so I know that it's not spam. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you'll check these products out. Stay happy, be a blessing. Bye for now.